Lesson 8, Use Arduino IDE for Pico. Python is a powerful and beginner-friendly programming language. However, if you have Arduino programming experience, you might want to use Arduino IDE to program Pico. In this lesson, we will show you how to use Arduino IDE to program Pico and run the Arduino Blink example program in Pico as demo. Open the tutorial link for Lesson 8. If you have never installed Arduino IDE, please read the tutorial for Install Arduino IDE. Open Arduino IDE, Tools, Board Manager. In search bar, search Pico. You will find a board named Arduino IDE RP2040 board. Click Install button to install this board into IDE. Push and hold the boot cell button in your Pico board and connect Pico into the USB port of your PC. Back to IDE. Select Tools, Board, Arduino IDE RP2040 boards, Raspberry Pi Pico. Select File, Examples, Basics, Blink. Press Upload button. Now Arduino IDE will compile the code and upload the sketch into Pico board. If you have any upload errors, it means your Pico does not connected to PC properly. Please repeat step 1 again. You will see the LED in Pico board is continuously flashing, same as lesson 1.